Okay, this cat, this is Panda. This cat is in this tulip poplar tree. It's straight up a good 100 feet. He's been up there, I think, maybe a week. And this is the second time I've rescued him. And he's way up there. So I'm gonna get him. Hey Panda, how you doing? We meet again. Hey Pumpkin. How you doing? Doing okay? Oh, he's ready. He's ready. Hey Pumpkin. Hey Pumpkin. You doing all right? Okay. I'm okay. All right. Oh, this was a long climb up here. It was a long climb, Pumpkin. You know? Oh. I got you last time, didn't I? I did. I did. Okay, I got you. I get you. Okay. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Pumpkin. Come on. Come on. I'm get you. I get you. Okay, I get you. I know. I get you. Hold on. Hold on. Let me get you, okay? You remember the nice cat bag I used to have? I still got it. Okay? Yeah. I still got the cat. Yeah. I still got the cat bag. Okay? Come on. Come on. Come on, Pumpkin. I got Panda. Okay, Panda's in the bag. Panda's in the bag. He's okay. Yeah, Pumpkin. I got you. I got you, Pumpkin. I know it. I know. I know it, Pumpkin. It's like that. I know it's kind of scary, but I got you. 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 Okay, we're coming down. We're coming down. He's not happy. What's that?
I said even when my son holds him, he gets like that where he gets moving.
Okay, you want to come get him? Okay, hold him from the bottom. Okay, let me look at him. Okay. Okay. You're all right, Pumpkin. Yeah, you are. You're okay. Yeah, you are. Hold him tight. Okay. You got him. You got him. Go home. Go home. Okay. Don't let him out. Okay.
He's gonna bite. Let me see.
Yeah, here. All right, just take him. Okay.
Cat in the bag.
Cat's on the bag.